Here's another take on our pumpkin. This is similar to the one we made before, but we've got a few different changes. I've taken the liberty of spiraling a 160. If you don't know how to do that, then see me at a convention somewhere. I've made the leaves and little stem just like I made before, except this was made out of a 260 instead of a 160. For my 11-inch round, I've used one of the Qualitex Happy Jacks, and these are imprinted on both sides. They're really cute and a lot of fun. And then for the pumpkin, I'm actually using, you can use 350s or 360s. These happen to be 350s from Qualitex, and I've blown them up, leaving about an inch uninflated on each one. I've already taken the liberty of preparing this one. All I've done is tied it into a loop, just like we did before. Trim that excess off there. And then find the midway point, divide it into two. And then I'm going to take these two, and just like we did our others, connect them together, only now we only have 4 instead of 8. So they're connected like that. We're going to take our stem, and just like before, insert it into it, and bring it up to the top. Bring this. Helps if you have it right side up. Bring the stem out the top and the leaves out the different sides. And then up to the top, just like before, so that we now have our stem and leaves up on top. And I'm going to take my spiraled 160 and find about the midway point of it and divide it into 2 little spirals. And I'm going to attach this also at the top, just to give it some added flair, make it a little more fun and entertaining. So we have our 2 spirals there. And then we'll take our Happy Jack and insert it into the middle. Take the nozzle from it and bring it down and twist it around the bottom a time or two to lock it in place. And then if you take and position it, because you've got 2 faces on this Happy Jack, I'll put my 2 spirals coming out to the 2 sides and move the side ones over. See how they're closer together on the sides, but now we can see the face. And there you go, and there's your really cute little jack-o'-lantern.